Hey folks, this is Devin Bledsoe with Heritage Ford. Today we're going to be looking at this beautiful eruption green Bronco Sport. It is a Badlands edition. A couple things you're going to get with the Badlands package is first is going to be your all-terrain tire as well as your off-road suspension. This vehicle is going to come equipped with 17-inch magnetic gray rims. As well as we walk around here to the front, it's going to have your fog lights down here on the lower valance, and then we also have a class 2 trailer hitch on this Bronco Sport, so you're going to be able to do a little bit of towing. Now we're going to check out the interior and go over a couple features inside. Here on the interior, the first thing you'll notice is this 8-inch touchscreen that's going to have Sync 3 capability, as well as having the paddle shifters up here for changing gears when you're in the manual mode. If we come around to the back, this one has the rubberized cargo liners here on the back of the seat as well as the rear. And then you also have your all-weather mats in the bottom. So you're fully covered if you're gonna go out and be playing in some dirt. All right, guys, let's take it around the block. Hey folks, this is Devin Bledsoe with Heritage Ford. We're inside the 23 Bronco Sport, the Badlands edition. Like I was saying, this has got the all-terrain tires and the off-road suspension. This also has 6 different GOAT modes, one being rock crawl, which is special to the Badlands. It's a really comfortable ride, and this one is also equipped with the bigger engine, which will be the 2-liter EcoBoost engine. That is going to get you in the mid-20s as far as miles per gallon, which is not too bad at all. This of course has the intelligent all-wheel drive system. So what that's going to do, as it senses the front wheel slipping, the rear wheels will automatically engage. They have added a button so that we can get the locking rear differential as well as lock in the 4-wheel drive. So then it will be 4-wheel drive all the time. It's a really smooth riding vehicle. A ton of get up and go with the 2-liter EcoBoost engine. And it handles really well. Heading into the winter here, another nice feature they've added is going to be the heated seats. We'll see. You're going to have no trouble merging out on the interstate with the vehicle. Alright folks, well I appreciate you watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. And again, my name is Devin Bledsoe with Heritage Ford. Have a great day.